This looks like it's coming straight from my scalp. I'm feeling myself with this wig. I'm feeling myself, and it's glueless, okay? Totally glueless. Hi guys, it's your girl Tanya, and welcome back to my channel, period. So it's been a long time since I made a video, but I got one for you guys. It's from Ashimary Hair. It is a human hair glueless wig. So this is their 14-inch brown highlighted bob. It's in a Yaki texture, so it mimics afro texture hair when it's blown out or like a silk press. It's a wear go wig, meaning that everything's already done for you. So the lace is already cut, hairline already plucked, knots already pre-bleached. It comes with all the security, so you can wear her glueless. So it has a drawstring, so that's new for these wigs. It comes with an adjustable strap, and it also has combs, 2 on the side and 1 in the back. So literally all you have to do is throw her on. But look at how the lace melts into the scalp, guys. Just look at that. This is a true wear go wig, okay? So let's go ahead and flat iron her out. Can y'all believe it, guys, that I turned 40 last month? Gosh, I've been on YouTube for a long time. Yes. This hair takes heat so well. Yeah, so we're just gonna bump it under. So look how nice and sleek this side turned out. Okay guys, so this is the final look of the Ashimary glueless bob with the brown highlights. Absolutely love this hair. Like I said, it's Yaki texture, so it mimics natural afro texture hair when it's been pressed out. Absolutely love her. Let me go around and show you from the side, from the back. You need to get this one. I'm going to link it in the description box, so you can click the link, make your purchase. Also, you can follow me on YouTube, Instagram, and that's all I have. But follow me on YouTube, Instagram to keep up with the latest. I review more wigs over there and other products as well. Bye.